Hi everybody, it's Tereese. As you can see in the video, um, I bought some stamps and I said I wasn't gonna buy anything anymore. Okay, so I had some Christmas money that I wanted to use up, and Um, I decided to use it on Unity stamps because they had these stamps that I really wanted. I've been seeing all kinds of cards with them, and I wanted them so bad. And they had a sale, and I think their sale is still going on. So if you guys are interested, I'm not sure of the first two stamps that I'm going to show you, but the other smaller stamps, I think they're still on sale. I think I just checked them, but if they're not and today is the last day, I'm so sorry. So these are the stamps that I bought that were on sale. And these are they're the old people line. And it's from I want to say her name is Tiana Jackson is the artist, and oh my gosh, I think they are simply adorable. And the sentiments reads, and together they built a life they love. I can't wait to grow old and wrinkly with you. I love you, you old fart, and you will always be my favorite. And this is the they built a life, and I just love this image. I just love them. They're so adorable. And then this is what they look like. Really good size stamp. And these are the sentiments. So you just pop these out. You don't have to cut them out, which is really nice. And then this one is Old Bird. I just love her in her nightgown or her robe. And the sentiments reads, this model runs on coffee. Love that one. I love she's holding a cup of coffee. The old birds gotta stick together. And there are some people I know that I'm going to send some cards to that says that. Happy bird, you old fart. Oh, happy birthday, you old bird. I love that. Okay, so I had to get these, and I was only going to get these, and I was like, okay, that's perfect, you know. And then I went looking at what else was on sale, and I found these, and if you saw my last video, you know what I'm talking about. And it's these, and I'm gonna bring them here. These Planner Gal stamps. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. I got them all here. So my daughter's card is with this one here. And this one says, don't be perfect, is the name of this stamp. And I'm sorry for the glare. I can't do anything about that. Let me see if I can lower that down. No, the glare is still terrible. I'm so sorry. It's because of these packaging. So let me just tilt it like that. Okay. So it says, you don't have to be perfect to be awesome. And I fell in love with it. And I love the size of stamps. They're pretty great size. I mean, it's not itty bitty, but you know, you get just 2 stamps, but I just love it. And it was only $3 when I bought it. So I couldn't pass that up. And then I got this one, and this one is called Love Them. And it says, find your tribe, love them hard. Love her hair, and I love the flowers in her hair. This one is called Crafty Girl, and it says, hello, crafty girl, and she's holding her crafty supplies. And I was thinking, you don't have to use these for planners. These will be perfect for cards. These would be perfect for journals, you know, or pocket letters. They're perfect size, and you can put one in each one. Well, you could, punch, not punch, I mean, have it all the way around, and then in the center card have a little sentiment or something. I think that would be really cute. So you gotta, when I buy something, I don't really necessarily want to use it for what they intended it to be. But I've seen other crafters use this on cards, so maybe that's where I got it from. But anyway, this one is called Call It a Plan, and it says, don't call it a dream, call it a plan. But I just love her. I love her hair. This one is all about you, and it says, today is all about you. Sounds really cute. And then this one is called Cold Outside. And I love how her hair is blowing in the wind, and her scarf is blowing as well. So this will be a really cute winter card, So I love that. This one is called One Happy Life, and it says living one amazing happy life. So sorry. I just love how these stamps look. I love red rubber stamps, so I always wanted to get more Unity stamps. I think, oh my gosh, I won somebody's giveaway. Jeez. Jill Norwood. I won her giveaway, and she had given away a couple of the Unity stamps, and I absolutely fell in love with them. And this one says beautiful. And then this one says, the name of this one is Be a Beauty. So I just love how these stamps turned out. I mean, these stamps that I bought, I just love them. So yes, I did say I wasn't going to buy any more stuff, but I couldn't help it because these were too cute, and I was using some Christmas money, so technically to myself. I'm still doing good. I haven't gone to Tuesday morning. I haven't gone. I mean, I've been going to the stores. I just haven't been buying anything. And this was the only thing that came in. Now, I do have some dies that I've bought from AliExpress, but that was in December, so those I'm still waiting on. But other than that, I've been doing really good. We'll see how long this lasts. you know, but I did buy these, so I might have jumped the gun on my goal. But anyway, so those are my stamps that I got like a couple days ago, and I made a card with it with my daughter's birthday is today. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and share those stamps with you all. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.